Welcome to part 2 of website making process. In this part, in step 1, I will show you how to edit menu. For that, open your WordPress account and sign in. After sign in, you will see 3 options in bottom right corner: customize, edit and stats for different purpose. Click on customize. A menu will be open in top left side. Click on menus. Here you will see 2 options: primary and social. Social menus are for social website button like Facebook, Twitter, etc. On home page right now there are different buttons. You can check here in about me section. It's appearing what I edited earlier. So now if I want to add one more button here, so how we can add one more button? Just follow these steps. Click on primary button. Primary menus are those which are appear on your home page like home, about me, blog, contact, etc. You can edit your primary menu title from here. After clicking on menu button, you will get option to edit name of primary button. So to add menu button, I am just repeating these steps once again. Go to customize, then menus, then primary. Click on reorder. So there are 4 different shuffle buttons. So I will describe this later. To add new menu, click on add items. Add new page here. I have already added a workshop page here. Just write and click here. Now click on plus button. A menu page will appear in main list. Now you check workshop button is created on my home page also. So here it is on 5th number. I want to put it on 4th number. So to shuffle order of menu button, click on reorder. Here it is up and down button. Click on up button like this to move upward. That's it. Click done, save changes and check your home page. Now step 2. How to add sub menu to a menu. So on my home page, I want to add sub menu under workshop in steps. So for that also click on add items. Here I am going to create 3 different sub menus like craft, sculpture and painting page. So after creating page, first I have to shift all page just below to main menu, under which I want to keep these 3 sub menu. With help of up and down button. After that click on forward button of every sub menu like this. Now click on done and save changes. Now you can check sub buttons are created under workshop menu. On other menu, sub menu will not appear because I haven't created sub menu for that. So now I can check craft page. It's blank now. So we can edit this page according to our choice. Now step 3. Editing home page. Here I will show you how you can change picture of home page. For that, go to edit button in bottom right area. Just you have to select what you want to replace or change layout. To change layout, here is the option. To replace, click on replace button. Upload an image with almost or same dimension image. Select and open. So this image will be uploaded like this, but this is not a good screen because we cannot read text clearly. So you can again change background with replace options. After replacing, click on update button. It's done. To check, open new window. Check your home page. It's done. Thank you.